We are looking at an extremely special creepy crawly, and they are thought to be the rarest insects on the planet. In 1918, there was a shipwreck off the coast of Lord Howe Island. Now, on the ship was black rats. They are an invasive species. They travelled onto the island, and one by one, they started picking off these big, juicy stick insects. Several years later, there was actually no Lord Howe Island stick insects found on the island any longer, and they were actually presumed extinct. They were rediscovered in 2001, clinging to their very existence on a sea mound that was 23 kilometres off the coast of Lord Howe Island. They virtually came back from the dead. So it's not that the animal needs to look like a stick, it's more about the sense that they are really good at camouflage. As adults, they have this beautiful, shiny black body. They don't sort of delicately hang up in the trees. They all like to stack on top of each other in large groups, very alien-like. They have heaps of girl power. So the females aren't only bigger, stronger, and live for longer than the boys, but they actually can reproduce by themselves. They don't need a male to be able to clone themselves and put those genetics into their eggs. Cool. How mind-blowing is that? Along with Zoos Victoria, we are lucky enough at the Melbourne Museum to have a population of these critically endangered stick insects, and it is so crucial to have these animals in captivity because it sort of works as a safety net. It stops us from ever losing these animals again. It means one day there is the hope that we can actually reintroduce them onto Lord Howe Island. They can fit back into that important ecosystem. Obviously not until we eradicate those black rats, and there is a program that is ongoing with that. I think they are absolutely adorable. They have these really sweet little squished in faces, kind of like a little pug with big beady eyes. They're chunky little monkeys. They are just something that we are not super familiar with. They are super intriguing, so I think that makes them even cuter.